I feel like I'm talking. True, everybody sit down here, someone feel like we need to, like shift.
Oh, you're not sick?
Nah, man, some you go, shift flick up. I shall go take it. Whole stage. Alright, so they say I have 15 minutes. So I'm going to rob you.
You know, I'm full 15.
So good night again. My name is Kareen Weir, but most people call me Reeni. I'm new to the country. I still say I'm new to the country. It don't matter how long I stay here, I still say I'm new to the country. If I'm speaking too quickly, let me know, because I'm slightly nervous too and I'm going to hide. My palms are sweaty. So slow me down if you know, like the words going too fast and you can't hear nothing, and then start jumping together, like that. So first and foremost, I'm a visual artist, and I'm a writer. And I've dedicated my practice to Patois, the language of my island. I realize that it's not as valued as it should be, even though we speak it every day. I realize that people underestimate it too, and its creativity and how it transforms from day to day. I love how, for lack of a better word, loose it is, how it shifts and everybody, they add their own little thing to it, and then 2 tools next week, everybody talking the one thing and you say, but me never know so this exists still.
Yes, goodie.
Don't lose me too much, man, it goes well. So I have 2 pieces to read it. Go around there. So, my unheavy or the thing unstable. No, that's about shift. It's supposed to secure now. Alright. So I have 2 pieces to read for you. One is from the book that I've written. Most of it's in Patois. It's a book about confrontation and necessary conversation between a father and his daughter. And so they're dealing with, like old history and, all of these things that they didn't get to speak about. And so the story runs along their dialogue. So I'm gonna give you a little 1-2 of the book. So it said, with a purpose may it come to you, and with your back turned, your silence greet me, see? And it's the next time I open my mouth and ask him a general, and you even peep for looking at my direction, boss, you even peep. My new status figment of your imagination must, because anything will let my mouth come in like a whisper in the morning breeze, I coax you back deep in your sleep. And you want to believe some stand up there and feel fool, because a 3 times repeat my request, the whole a 3. Slowly me I pray, if me never clear. I wonder if you never hear. Then it backs me say, you give me your deaf ear. Beggar was not my occupation, but just the same I put out my hand hoping say, you would have overstand and listen to the plea. Listen to the plea. Listen to me now. Listen to me. You get up and get hopeful. You move like you have purpose back at that. The man move like him have a fresh 19 dep on him. My mind me say, yes, he hear me. To neck back. No such luck, no such blessing bestowed past me a strode and slam the bathroom door shut. Just like with mosquito in your ears, as summer feel your box away. Facing the closed door, I chastise myself for ever expecting any better. Cause see the door there? Boof! Here was the stoic frame mocking me like your stoic face, and moving and serious like a tombstone. Why would I expect no better? It never make sense. I should have beat myself. A 2 good lick I want, 2 good lick. I'm going to set me straight, because how much time I see this, you don't have no regard for your feelings. When you pray, you never slam the door upon your finger so we go down. And we never buck with 2 upon the corner of the door while you lock it so everything go down. With the amount of ackee and saltfish, bun and cheese, patty and cocoa bean, rice and gungo peas and yam, you would have feel so you know about togetherness down. And now watch the face your belly like half yam and one. You would have feel you know like a family intimacy down. But catch the story. We not got ever enough because the road caught you like an impatient because we want to rub up or burst them in your face and bend over in front of you like so she drop a $20 coin. Road bring off your phone any time of day and you know you schedule more than the people where you live with. Best believe you not hesitate for answer when you see a fear name light up on your phone screen. Make a me ever call you and ask you where you're there. You know answer, you know. What's the matter? Feel silence that. What's the matter? And that he will tell me, what's the matter? But she give curves and room for room, body up, the skin clean, no patrol. When the wanderlust done, remember something for me there, please. Once a man, twice a child. Them bar the way say line the street and visit Novka. You know them nago can heal of certain way no matter how much you bat your eye. Click your heel and beg a girl flash or weave. I never see nothing go so yet. I never seen a sign for none of them will say children's love, life partner, union, link up, family bonding, paint pan the front, unless you ever come to your road rapping posse. I'm young but my absence, so I know say you go want them thing later, but by the time your common sense done it word to word, I go too late. Your piece will just prop up in the house, see you when you last. Is it missing me when you did a cut? No, boss, you know so this word. When the night them get cold and your asphalt lover tired of you, don't look for me. When the dance hall them get too young for you, don't look for me. When the skittle them we rub up on you, lose them, touch them, body start sag them, nipple them a pints out, them bashment weave dry, them giants start to get rickety so them can't boom flip on your coffee like one time. Don't look for me. Because I see him so my back I got turn.
Easy.
But I see him so you see me? Because I see him so my back I got turn like that April morning in spring's bloom. But tell you I already something about plan for eye and talk straight in your eye me I look. Mommy used to say to me, no air your laundry in a public. No carry your business outside. To this day me still I wonder how the clothes are going to get clean if them not wash and carry outside the sun pan the line. Hello sir. When your temper a boil and your blood pressure arise, nobody feel like say you can't, you know, like I feel your head alone at. Come buck me down like buck out, come do it if you're bad. You remember that day they you stand up at the door corner and chat me in front of my face with your sister on the phone because you said we have a conspiracy against you in the house. And nobody asked me for exact scam, I can't go give you a date or time. You remember them day them? Oh, you want to come hug me up after me done angry ball and set your back straight? Or you feel bad now, so you want to come comfort me, you remember? You must feel so we are dead set. I am not your fitted sheet, but find another bed to spread your comfort. Think nobody never see the time when you sneak out one of the boiled dumpling because you never have nothing at the night? I did see. I never said nothing to you, but I couldn't believe so you actually do it. I used to take pride so with favor. I used to run come to you about everything. I not even know if you remember all that day when you come pick me up at school and you see my face, you see me cross. You ask me, what one? You all turn off the vehicle to backside. I finally tell you, say, I tell a girl to shut her mouth and she said to me to shut my leg. So all we know, to all me know we similar and mad that like. I see in your face you have a logics and reasoning as to whether or not if you done the little girl in the afternoon because she get rude to your picnic. You tell me yours and me tell your mind secrets. You used to hold a little finger and walk on the road. Now I believe you know how to approach you. Thank you very much. I do appreciate that. It's hard for me to
social media.
Yeah man, it's I still nervous in the door. No matter what you say me read that you're not looking at your eye too tough every minute. It's still a little bit unsettling, a little bit unnerving. But yeah, that's my little snippet from the book. It's called Musings of a Tomboy. Tomboy Musings. And then right below it says, can you hear me? Because I feel like if we're talking and nobody not listening, what's the point of the conversation, you know what I mean? Not to, you know, keep you waiting for too long, and I just jump right into the next piece. Just bear with me while I scroll through my whole Google Drive. No, I haven't. And this actually stemmed from something that happened up here, no joke. I was having problem finding work. I'm not ashamed. I still can't get like phone or work, you know. And I asked somebody to help me, and the man said, your resume is too Caribbean. And I was just like, I don't know how to answer that because I am Caribbean, you know what I mean? Unless like, how am I supposed to un-island it? I was just like, so, but all of the experience there on the island, so we must do. And I was just mad because, you know, I'm even not gonna say no, but that's like a read it, please. That's like a read. Him say, my resume, 2 Caribbean, 2 Jamaican, 2 West Indian. So they moved the phone from my ears and looked on it. I put the phone back and said, that's exactly right. I am very West Indian, very Jamaican, very Caribbean. He said, remove the Jamaican Creole from the language section, he said. Can we put it down at the bottom, same like how we put the English. It's not needed, scrap it. It's not a language. So I said, well, I'm not going to say it to him. I said to myself, then why was I asked to code switch for all those years? That me want to know, you know. So I moved the phone again. And I look at it again. I said, well, why mommy used to stop to tell me in the middle of whatever she doing to say it in English? I'm going to tell you something with Valley better put a code switch, you know. You think a joke when you grow with an English teacher? When the English teacher is your mother? And it made me so mad because I know if my chick no Patois right here now, I can guarantee you. Same like how you can surely guarantee if flow internet service slow without fail. That people going to look at me like what the hell she just said. Man, they good at talk to me on the phone like the way I talk is problematic. Like my language no counts. So I say, you ain't catch people them fast. You know, conversation come with on the phone, people just say no. So I say, but I never ask nobody to reprogram me. The days of Sega Genesis done and gone. You know, feel say my cartridge now works, so I time to blow it out and press it. You know, feel say me I come up here to come twang for nobody. I'm not this. So you invite me over, but I must come at your country and make you feel comfortable. Say me there, but I not understand. So I said to myself, but I take off my shoes and I leave them at the doorway. And I sit down in the living room on the right side corner of your settee. Then I rest my bag on my foot. I never run around the house. I never looking at everybody's room to see what you have in your yard. I never touch up your clay figurine, them pan your fancy whatnot like say I never have no home training. So what kind of host is you be? As far as me say and as far as me hear, don't quote me, as far as me hear. The priest said, we don't even own the land in the first place. Majority of you who they just come bucket up and decide say you will come squat and second and multiply. Dinner time come round and it must be too crowded, so you decide say you need to make reservations. The reserve nations make you understand. So, you know, I'm not a pair of pants that fit too loose in all the wrong places. I don't need to take in. I don't need to nip and tuck. If I didn't need, I tell them I would have link my uncle in a one way Trelawney at the best. And probably uncle man need a, you know, me don't link for that, but me don't need no altering. I never come here for fix. No screws never loose. I come step and see a box so no want me living and everything they pan check. Nobody no want mash no can, everything so low or politically correct. But before me take up myself and math, you know. Before me willingly give up myself like Play-Doh or flour for need and shape like dumpling, I will set myself on fire. What do you say? God is good? And all the time? Amen, amen. So let me get to my sermon now. You see me? I will, and if you can't follow, let me know. I will say it slowly so everybody can understand. I will light myself a fire, make a ras come, chant round me, you see me, and dash more kerosene, as him say, gash like I will. When him dey on him stage, I sing the book of life while him lighting big spliff with the fire we cocoon my body. When me done, after my body char and them lower me into the ground, me want them dash the national dish pan me coffin and sprinkle some 20, 10, 5 and $1 kind. We don't need the red money. With the national hero them pan it. So I can leave the earth real rich like Tanta Blast as them sing when the roll is called up yonder and wave a big bomba Jamaican flag. And my spirit will smile down as them logo and shankle dip them way to me yard to blast some roots rock reggae and maybe some dancehall music from the sound system we set up at the All Black after funeral dinner affair to bust domino like gunshot on the little wooden table and mark them score in a white chalk as Heineken and Red Stripe near stick so, make we take a moment of silence. You know? We sorry for the billy goat with the half a dead pan my behalf, because you know, say, I only curry goat, fried chicken, and rice and peas. Maybe the option of plain rice. I say, we never lick a raw vegetable pan and plain paper plate with them You know what I'm gonna give you after them done warm up your belly, must be about like 3 cups of manish water. A moment of silence for Billy.
Why, Billy?
See then? Some won't even understand what I say what I go. Won't even understand the gravity of what I said just now. Layman's terms. I'd prefer bun up, you'd see that in a Patois. I'd prefer bun up and dead the way I am than to live to see the day that I can no longer recognize myself, because if you don't think say so this is going to make a sad mistake, you see me? I'm tired to watch my language now, between this accent where them tell me say I have and the way my words round up in my mouth. I have to talk so slow. It's frustrating. If you ever eat a sweet mango in your life and you have to clean your teeth after, you will know how I feel. Every time I talk, I saw I feel. I never come here to switch and trade up my core building blocks. I never have no intention for dash on my culture and brought up. So ask me again. Make this suggestion again. Tell me, say, I need for Lego that to survive up here. Make no man, woman, pick me, RBs ever step to me with that shit. You will see what time, you will see what clock I strike. You're rude, you know, to say you out of them. There's this illusion of inclusion. You're smiling on my face and then you chat me on my back. So, back a dog, but front a dog, I miss dog. Please just call me a bitch to my face and done. So I can say good morning, madam bitch or sir bitch to you too. You see me? Empty barrel make the most nice, but round me you're well quiet. See there? You hear it? You hear it though? You see me? There goes the fake depth, the fake overflow. You think them full of love and friendship and genuine kindness like a fat beef patty we just done bake. Uncle Squeeze can find out say uncle full of hot here. Now all you have left is a flat patty, 1 bag of crust, and no meat, no substance.
Not in it.
Not thank you, darling. Not in islands. You see me? You chat amongst yourself because you don't know why me is so quiet. It's a simple one too. Me not depend on your fuckery life, D. And another thing, I don't want you to stop and look at me like say just because I chat Patois, just because I have my own vernacular that full English diction and vocabulary taller than anybody else on out here. I hike up your shoulder and you puff out your chest and look down your nose and polish. You pass walk with your body clench up in the school like you better than nobody else up here and you're up your teeth. I move like Sophia Thesaurus bigger than anybody else up there. Like you have a permanent Google tab open from the forefront of your brain because apparently you know more than anybody else up in this. Relax yourself. You must start wear shirtless here. Chat, Patois. Don't make me rude to you. Before I leave, because sorry son, I'm 4 minutes over time, I apologize. Before I leave, even if you don't get a shirt today, let me put on back my English. My telephone voice, even if you don't buy a shirt today, please take a business card, pass it on to your friends, tell them to come and buy the shirts, yes, because all of the money is really going to something unusual campaign for the year. I'm hoping to go back to school to do my master's program, to go study Caribbean studies and to do Patois courses so that they can say, oh, so you're certified in a Patois now, so they can say, yeah.
But you're already certified.
No, from a band, but you see, they want papers.
So,
you see me? That them not looking at them, just want to say masters in. Some say, now worry yourself, never do it. But back to the point, the money from the shirts and for the things that I'll be doing for the rest of the year will be going towards building my portfolio. I'll be doing paintings and sculpture work and hopefully some mural painting as well. I have some more to say on shirts as well because that's easier. That piece of art easier for people to walk around with and it's cheaper than for somebody to pay like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for a big painting to put up in a damn yard. And I find that what I've been noticing is that people have been, when they message me about it, when they read the shirt, it's almost like them resonate with it immediately, And them you can tell that them love them Patois just as much as me love the Patois. Mego, and pause. Oh yeah, I we did live all along. That's how everyone know we were live all along. That's sneaky. Anyway, but yeah, I find that I want people to feel proud proud, so that they, you know, then people love to make them feel stupid. You know, like if you don't speak so